Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So this video is mainly for those of you that participated in the LayerEdge airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So in this video I'm going to show you how to perform your proof of humanity verification. Very important for your LayerEdge allocation. So if you did not perform any tasks under the proof of humanity, you will not be eligible for your LayerEdge allocation, and this campaign is going to end on the 25th of April 2025. So please make sure to do this as quick as possible. So this update is mainly for those of you finding it hard to navigate around the proof of humanity verification. So I'm going to use the extension method to show you how to verify your LayerEdge account for those of you that don't know how to do it. So if you don't have a PC to download Chrome or Brave, if you're not using Chrome or Brave or Edge, depending on the supported browser extension you are using to perform these tasks, if you have a mobile device, please make sure to download Mrs. Browser. Download any EVM wallet of your choice. It can be Rabbit Wallet, MetaMask, any EVM wallet of your choice. Then after that, what you all need to do is to search for zkpass extension. As you can see on the screen, search for zkpass extension. You are going to see this first one, which is Chrome Web Store. Under you are going to see zkpass transgate. What you all need to do is to click on it. Alright guys, so after clicking on it, you are going to see add to Chrome or download to Chrome, something like that. What you don't need to do is to click on the add to Chrome, then it's going to download. You can see on the screen, this is the extension zkpass transgate. So you need this because it is very important. So after you have downloaded the zkpass transgate, alright guys, so now what you don't need to do is to click on connect wallet. So you select your preferred EVM wallet, like I'll be using Rabbit Wallet. So your wallet is going to pop up for you to approve the transaction, as you can see on the screen. So if you are using Mrs. Browser, it's going to direct you to your EVM wallet, be it MetaMask, Rabbit Wallet, or OKS wallet, any wallet you are using to perform the transaction. So you can see, although I've performed some tasks like the on-chain verification, and I've performed the human.tech verification. So before I explain the rest tasks, I'm going to explain this on-chain verification. So this on-chain verification is for those of you that cannot create a centralized exchange in your country. So it is good you perform this on-chain verification, but you must have $0.11 worth of ETH on the base network before you can process this. So after you have verified the on-chain verification, the human.tech verification is going to pop up. But the only disadvantage of this on-chain verification is that if you perform it, your score is going to be 0. So for you to get a score, you need to perform the Binance KYC, KuCoin KYC, Bybit KYC, Coinbase KYC, OKX, Upbeat, Gate KYC for you to get some points. And I think each KYC is 40 points. So for Bybit that I performed yesterday was 40, Binance 40. So each KYC is 40 points. And the higher your score, the higher your chance of getting the airdrop according to their white paper. So according to them, you must perform one verification. So it is optional, just one verification, the rest are optional. So what you all need to do is to try to verify maybe like 3 or 2, but if you verify 1, you are good to go. Or if you have chance of verifying others, please make sure to do it also. So I'm going to show you guys how you can verify using Binance. And for you to verify Binance, according to them, you must have a level 2 Binance KYC. For KuCoin, normal KuCoin verification, you can process it. For Bybit, level 2. For Coinbase, level 2. You can see other exchange, Gate.io. But for Gate.io, you can just create an account, perform your KYC, and verify your account. Now, for you to get started, you need to select the exchange of your choice and click on verify now. So since I'm going to use Binance, I'm going to click on verify now. And please make sure you have downloaded the zkpass extension. It is very important, guys. So now what you need to do is to click on verify now. Alright guys, so after clicking on verify now, you need to leave it for some minutes for it to open a new page for you. So if you are to use Binance, it is going to open the Binance page for you. So you can see my ZK Pass extension pop up here. That's why I said please make sure to download ZK Pass, because they are the one to detect and verify your proof of humanity depending on the exchange you are using. So like I said guys, make sure to click on verify now. You need to give it some time. It's going to open a new page for you. First of all, for those of you that have not logged in your details, you are going to see login. So please make sure to log in your exchange details. After that, it's going to take you to the dashboard. After that, you are going to see the ZK Pass extension is going to pop up. Now what you don't need to do is to click on start. So you can see processing here, running, generating proof. So you don't need to wait for it to process, verifying proof. Alright, so it's going to direct you to your LayerEdge website and you're going to see verification. So now you can see I have successfully verified my account. So looking on the screen guys, let's take it up. You are going to see 40 score. So per exchange verification is 40 score. So after you verify any exchange, this is going to pop up as you can see on the screen. This is optional, it's not a must. Complete 2 tasks in KYC group and 1 task in Pro Trader group for on-chain OG group. So for those of you using centralized exchange, so if you know you have performed a transaction on Binance greater than $500 in the last 30 days, you can choose to verify it here. Same thing with OKS, same thing with BitGet, same thing with Bybit. So you can see it on the screen guys. Make sure to check if you have performed some tasks here. So for these tasks, like if I'm to use Binance, it's going to direct me to Primus extension site for you to download the Primus extension. So you need to download the Primus extension first. After you have downloaded the Primus extension, what you need to do is to visit the tags again and click on verify now. After you click on verify now, please make sure your Binance also is logged into the browser you're using to perform this transaction, because Primus, they are going to read out the details. If the transaction is not up to, they are going to tell you. If it is up to, they are going to tell you, but this is optional, it's not a must to perform it. So like I said, after verifying this on-chain verification, this campaign is going to pop up as you can see, on-chain OG advanced optional. So for this task, what you just need to do is to click on verify now or connect wallet, something like that. So if you click on it, it's going to connect to your EVM wallet. So it's going to detect if your wallet have been performing transactions, something like that. Then you give it some time, it's going to show you verify or completed. So this is what you need to know on how you can perform the proof of humanity tags to stay positioned for the LayerEdge airdrop. Alright guys, so please make sure if you have other exchange that you have met the criteria, please make sure to use it to verify other tags. You can see that of Gate.io. It is good you get a Gate.io app now and make sure to perform a KYC, then make sure to use it to verify. Once you just perform your first KYC, you can use it to verify your Gate KYC here. Then after that, you can download KuCoin as well. Your KuCoin, just your first KYC, you are good to go. But for Bybit, you need to perform the human verification first, then make sure to get a valid utility details, snap it or upload it and verify your Bybit account. So my other account have passed all the necessary criteria. Just perform one, the rest is optional. You want to make sure to verify your account as quick as possible before the 25th of this month 2025. So for those of you that participated in the airdrop campaign, this is what you need to do. It is mandatory, it is compulsory. Please make sure to do this as quick as possible. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.